Welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to teach you subject verb agreement, which is an indispensable part of competitive exams. Most of the questions will come in the competitive exam from subject verb agreement. My lovable friends, my amiable students, let's start. 1. The aims of the course dash me willing to begin. The aims of the course dash me willing to begin. A. Makes. B. Were made. C. Make. D. Making. E. Had been made. Its correct answer is make. Because the aims of the course, we have to consider that the aims of the course, it refers to plural form of the verb. That's why the verb will be make. Number 2, the weight of the apples dash. A. Were varied. B. Vary. C. Varying. D. Varies. E. Might have varied. My lovable students, my amiable friends, you have known that amount, distance, weight, height, time. Get by heart these words: amount, distance, weight, height, time. If any sentence refers to these 5 words, definitely the verb will be singular. That's why the correct answer is varies here. The weight of the apples varies. Understood? Next one, number 3. The regulations of the administration dash from the curriculum. A. Stem. B. Stems. C. Stemming. D. Are stemmed. E. Is stemmed. Let's analyze this question also. The regulations of the administration. The regulations of the administration, which means the regulations, it refers to plural form of the verb. Understood? That's why we can use stem. Understood? The regulations of the administration stem from the curriculum. A is the correct answer. Number 4. The children of the man who works with me dash broken the window this morning. Definitely, it is also a very easy question. A. Where. B. Have. C. Had. D. Has. E. Was. Its correct answer is have. Why have will be the correct answer? Let's analyze about it. If a sentence is joined by, as well as, in addition to, together with, along with, or with, we should keep our eye on the first noun. Here first noun is the children. Understood? The children is plural. That's why the verb will be plural. Have is the correct answer. Number 5. One man among the crew dash into the water every week. A. Can be diving. B. Dive. C. Had dived. D. Is diving. E. Dives. Its correct answer is dives. One man among the crew dives into the water every week. Why the answer will be dives? Let's analyze. One man among the crew dives into the water every week. Definitely this sentence refers to present simple form, and this sentence starts by using one man. Understood? If a sentence starts by using either of, neither of, none of, each of, one or one of, understood? The verb becomes singular. Definitely this sentence is extracted from present simple aspect, and it refers to singular form of the verb. That's why we can use dives. Next one, 6 number. The men of the community does not support the leader. A. Does. B. Have. C. Has. D. Do. E. Is. Its correct answer is do. Let's analyze why the answer should be do. The men of the community. So here the men is plural. The men of the community. Understood? That's why the verb will be do. Understood? This sentence also extracted from present simple aspect. Number 7. Few students who dash playing football missed the class. Few students. Definitely few students. Few students who dash playing football missed the class. Option A would be, B could be, C had, D were, E was. Its correct answer is were. Few students who were playing football missed the class. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, few students refers to plural form. Understood? And this sentence is extracted from past tense, past progressive. We should keep our eye. Few students. This subject has explicated in plural form. That's why we can use the plural form of the verb. So where should be mentioned here. Where is the correct answer. Number 8. The police dares to be careful since the criminal was dangerous. Option A, we are told. Option B, we are telling. Option C, was telling. Option D, was saying. Option E, was told. Its correct answer is A, we are told. So we have already known that, my lovable students, my amiable friends, police, kettle, public, poultry, committee, assembly, the always take plural verbs. But we have to also see the form of the sentence. This sentence has explicated, this sentence has written in which form? We should also consider about it. The police were told, understood? It has explicated in past progressive form. So its literally meaning will be correct if we use the police were told to be careful since the criminal was dangerous. Next one, number 9. Students' minds dash about the order of structures. Option A, has been confused. Option B, have been confused. Option C, had confused. Option D, have confused. Option E, has confused. Its correct answer is have been confused. The students' minds have been confused about the order of structures. My lovable students, my amiable friends, you could have understood. It is apparently easy. Number 10. The man whom I dash with dash, the dean of our faculty. The man whom I dash with dash, the dean of our faculty. Option A, was talking where? B, we are talking where? C, can talk where? D, we are talking was. E, was talking was. So its correct answer is was talking was. The man whom I was talking with was the dean of our faculty. Number 11. Neither the man nor his son dash convinced of the idea. Option A, had. B, has. C, was. D, have. E, were. Its correct answer is was. Neither the man nor his son was convinced of the idea. My lovable students, my amiable friends, we have to keep our eye neither. If a sentence starts by using many, each one, every, either, neither, understood? Definitely the verb will be singular. So we should also keep our eye on the structure of the sentence. In this way, we can use the singular form of the verb. Here, this sentence started by using neither. That's why we can definitely use the singular verb was. Number 12. Either Hassan or Faith. Either Hassan or Fatih dash to the meeting this evening. Option A, are coming. B, come. C, is coming. D, have come. E, comes. Its correct answer is coming. This sentence also started by using either. Understood? This sentence started by using either or. Not only but also either or, neither nor, both and. These are called correlative conjunctions. If a sentence is joined by a correlative conjunction, we must keep our eye on the second noun. My lovable students, here second noun is a name. Understood? This is also a proper noun, and also this is the name of a person, and one person is having here. That's why we can use the singular form of the verb. Phatit, this name has given here, and that's why if a sentence is joined by the correlative conjunctions like as well as, sorry, as well as is not a correlative conjunction, not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and. Understood? We must keep our eye on the second noun. According to the second noun, the verb should be used. Here the second noun is a person, the name of a person. Understood? That's why the verb will be singular here. Number 13. Do you know the woman just next to the window? Do you know the woman just next to the window? Option A, stands. B, stood. C, is standing. D, stand. E, standing. Its correct answer is standing. Do you know the woman standing next to the window? So my lovable students, here standing is a verbal noun, or we can also say it is a gerund. Gerund should be used in the sentence. Do you know the woman standing next to the window? Here any relative pronouns have not mentioned here. Gerund in this way, that's why we can use the gerund, the verbal noun in the sentence. Do you know the woman standing next to the window? So standing is the correct answer in the sentence. Number 14. He and I dash good friends, but now we dash anymore. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Let's discuss about this question also. Option A, have been or don't talk. Am, don't talking. C, we are, won't talk. D, we are and aren't talking. E, are, we are not talking. So take a glance on this question. He and I, we are good friends, but now we are not talking anymore. So its correct answer is D. He and I were good friends. This sentence refers to the past event, but now we are not talking anymore. Understood? This part of the sentence refers to the present form. So D will be the correct answer in the sentence. After that, next question, number 15. If we dash early, we dash catch the last train on time. Option A, comes, I will be able to. B, will come. C, is coming or can. D, will come or will. E, comes or I could be. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct answer is comes, I will be able to. If he comes, we will be able to catch the last train on time. My lovable students, my amiable friends, this sentence we must have know the conditional clause. It is extracted from the conditional clause type 1, if plus present simple, MC plus future simple. Understood? That's why the answer will be comes. If he comes, we will be able to catch the last train on time. Number 16. Although every student in my class dash the schedule, one of my students always dash late to the class. Option A, no, come. B, knows, coming. C, no, comes. D, knows, comes. E, knows, coming. Its correct answer is knows and comes. Although every student in my class knows the schedule, one of my students always comes late to the class. This sentence is extracted from present simple aspect. I have already explicated you that we must keep our eye every, because this sentence, though this sentence started by using a subordinating conjunction, although is a subordinating conjunction, after that every, the sentence, every, if a sentence created consisted by using many, each one, every, everyone, either, neither, definitely the verb will be singular. That's why, although every student in my class knows the schedule, one of my students always comes late to the class. Number 17. Although the furniture I bought dash at my home now. Option A, are. B, was. C, is. D, where. E, have been. My lovable students, my amiable friends, let's analyze this question. Take a glance on this noun. Furniture. Is it singular or plural? You can say that this is singular. We have known that clothing, food, poetry, stationery, furniture, cutlery, cookery, jewelry, scenery, information. These nouns take singular form. That's why this sentence has extracted from present simple. Now was given here. Though all the furniture I bought, this sentence refers to past simple. Dash at my home now. This part of this sentence refers to present tense. So anyhow, we must keep our eye on the noun. Understood? And at the last of the sentence, now has written. That's why this sentence refers to present form. And definitely the verb will be is here. All the furniture I bought is at my home now. Number 18. After the meeting, he said a great deal of advice. Dash. A, we are given. B, has been given. C, had been given. D, have been given. E, we are being given. My lovable students, my amiable friends, let's analyze this question also. Its correct answer is had been given. Its correct answer is had been given. After the meeting, he shared a great deal of advice. He shared a great deal of advice. This is the indirect speech. We have known that if, in indirect speech, according to the repeating verb, though he said, this is said is the repeating verb. That's why the verb should be also written in past tense form. The repeating verb has written in past tense form. Understood? That's why the answer will be also had been given. This is the correct answer. My lovable students, my amiable friends. After the meeting, he said a great deal of advice had been given. Number 19. Only when each of the committee members dash reading the instruction, then can you dash them to the hall. Its correct answer is finish the take. Only when each of the committee members finish reading the instruction, then can you take them to the hall. This sentence is extracted from past simple. Understood? And second part of the sentence in present simple. So it will be only when each of the committee members finish reading the instruction, then can you take them to the hall. Number 20. Some of the old beautiful buildings dash A is being replaced by the new ones. B have been reconstructing for the last 3 decades. C we are concerned with them a lot. D enjoys decorating old rooms. E are surrounded with new high ones. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct answer is E are surrounded with new high ones. Some of the old beautiful buildings are surrounded with new high ones. Take a glance. Let's discuss this question also. Some of the old beautiful buildings. Beautiful buildings. This is the plural form of the noun. Are surrounded with new ones. Understood? This is the literally, if we use the E option, we can get the correct literally meaning of this sentence. Understood? Because the noun has written in plural form, that's why we can use are surrounded with new ones. Number 21. Events taking place in every part of the world. Events taking place in every part of the world. Yes. Option A are enjoying life. B has interested me. C we are our close relatives. D interest many politicians of the country. E due to some information of the world news agents. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct answer is D interest many politicians of the country. Events taking place in every part of the world interest many politicians of the country. Number 22. I could conclude from his way of taking. I could conclude from his way of talking dash. Option A that he was content with his life. B she was happy for being with her family. C he will come with me to the theater. D the sky is clear today. E they are my old friends. Its correct answer is A that he has content with his life. I could conclude from his way of talking that he was content with his life. My lovable students, my amiable friends, number 23. The film was so good that dash Option A, we are going to the cinema today. B, it is sometimes good to watch it. C, the spectators have seen it twice. D, it had been watched by millions. E, we were still under its influence 2 hours later. Its correct answer is E. We were still under its influence 2 hours later. The film was so good that we were still under its influence 2 hours later. The first sentence, if we consider this sentence as extracted from past simple aspect, that's why according to the first noun, along with the according to the first part of the sentence, the film was so good that we were still under its influence 2 hours later. Though the first part of the sentence is extracted from past simple aspect, that's why we can use we were still under its influence 2 hours later. This is the correct answer. Number 24. Dash since we cannot arrive there on time. Option A, she told me to hurry. B, it is not suitable to enter the exam. C, the cat was under the table. D, they are running toward the road. E, we need not go faster anymore. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Its correct answer is E. We need not go faster anymore. Thus, since we need not go faster anymore, since we cannot arrive there on time. Number 25. Istanbul dash in 1453 by Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror. So this sentence is extracted from past simple aspect or past simple tense. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Istanbul. Take a glance on these options. A, had been conquered. B, conquered. C, was conquered. D, would be conquered. E, had conquered. Its correct answer is was conquered. Understood? Istanbul was conquered. Conquered means victory, won. Understood? Istanbul was conquered in 1453 by Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror. Conqueror means emperor. Victor, who? The winner. Conqueror means winner. Istanbul was conquered in 1453 by Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror. Number 26. The news he reported dash us all. We are all in an odd mood. Option A was astonishing. B, has astonished. C, have astonished. D, we are astonishing. E, astonish. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Its correct answer is has astonished. The news he reported has astonished us all. We are all in an odd mood. My lovable students, we have known that there are some nouns in English, they look like plural, but they always take singular verbs. Do you know which are they? Mathematics, physics, moms, measles, news, gymnastics, politics, economics, physics, athletics. Understood? All of these nouns, they look like plural, but they always take singular verbs. Here, the news. Understood? The news he reported. The news. The news he reported has astonished us all. We are all in an odd mood. Number 27. Each candidate dash fill in these forms and sign them. Option A, are to, B, have to, C, up to, D, has to, E, were to. My lovable students, my amiable friends, this sentence also started by using each. I have already told you before that if a sentence starts by using many, each one, every, everyone, either, neither, what the verb will be, singular or plural? Definitely the verb will be singular. That's why the answer will be has to. Each candidate has to fill in these forms and sign them. Next one, my lovable students, my amiable friends. One of the main solutions to such problems is to show no reaction to the person in those times. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Let's take a glance on these options. Option A, are supposed, B, supposed, C, is, D, were, E, was. Its correct answer is was. Why? I have already taught you if a sentence starts by using either of, neither of, none of, each of, one of, the number of. We have known that the verb will be singular. But here, those time refers to past tense form of the verb. The past form of the verb. Though the verb will be singular, we must keep our eye on the structure of the sentence. Those time, it refers to the past tense. The past form of the verb, that's why we can use was. We cannot use is in the sentence. Because one of the main solutions to such problems was to show no reaction to the person in those times. Number 29. One of my friends dash us a question that neither of us dash able to answer. One of my friends dash us a question that neither of us dash able to answer. My lovable students, my amiable friends. One of my, definitely which options have explicated here. Take a glance on these options. Have asked, are, had asked, are, has asked, is. Have asked, is, had asked, can. So definitely my lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct answer is has asked and is. One of my friends, one of my close friends has asked us a question that neither of us is able to answer. Understood? You could have understood, my lovable students, if a sentence start many times, I have already repeated. If a sentence start by using either of, neither of, none of, each of, one of, the number of. Take a glance on this. What is given here? One of my, one of has given here, one of has written here, one of has explicated here. Understood? That's why the verb will be singular. Number 30. Every student is going to be responsible for his chapters, and each student does bring his or her homework on the exam day. So my lovable students, my amiable friends. So this question will be the concluding part of this part. Every student does going. This sentence also started by using every. Does going to be responsible for his chapters, and each student does bring his or her homework on the exam day. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Its correct answer is E. Every student is going to be responsible for his chapters, and each student has to bring his or her homework on the exam day. Take a glance. What is given? Every and each. Understood? My lovable students, I have already explained you. I have already explained you that if a sentence starts by using many, each one, everyone, either or neither, what the verb will be, in which form we can write there? We can use the singular form of the verb. Understood, my lovable students? I'm asking for to all of my lovable and amiable students and friends, please like, share, and subscribe this English Guru YouTube channel to brush up your knowledge in English grammar. Thanks a lot. May God bless you.